In the following video, you will learn to use the knowledge base that contains all MYLE-related learning material. To access the knowledge base, simply click on the MYLE HELP button on the MYLE login page or the designated link in the MYLE tab once connected. A new tab opens on the knowledge base homepage. Select the display language by clicking on this arrow and choosing the desired one from the list. There are two ways to access the documentation in the knowledge base. You can search by keywords, or you can select a category and view all the articles related to it. Simply click on an article title from the list to see its content. If you want to search using keywords, enter them in this field, which is available on every page of the knowledge base. From the home page, enter your keywords in this search field. Note that it's not required to write a complete sentence, but make sure to add enough keywords to get the articles that are the most relevant to your search. Articles matching your search are immediately displayed on the drop-down list. If the article you are looking for is in the list, select it to view its content. If no articles are in the drop-down list, press Enter on your keyboard or click the magnifying glass or the results box. You are redirected to the search results page where all the articles are listed. To view more information concerning an article, hover your mouse over its title and a pop-up window will display the entire article. If the article contains the information you want, click on its title. If not, move your cursor on another title and repeat the previous steps. To modify your search, enter new keywords in this field and press Enter on your keyboard or click the magnifying glass or the results box. Open an article by clicking on its title. The articles page is divided into three sections. The category section on the left-hand side stores all the learning material available in the knowledge base. You can browse through the categories and subcategories and select articles from there. The article section in the center of the page displays the explanatory and detailed content of a MYLE functionality. Hyperlinks may be included in the article to redirect more specific explanations in another tab. Lastly, the related articles section on the right-hand side lists similar articles to the one you are currently viewing. Click on the title to open it. Finally, if you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. To do so, use the Contact Us button at the bottom of the home page. On the new page, fill out the form with the requested information and click Send.